You open your eyes and you say to yourself, it is time, it is time, it is time to go out. Then you look at a screen, but you think to yourself, no, it's not time for that, you must put that thing down. When you look out the window, the weather is bad. Then you look in the mirror and your face fills with dread. When you think of the evening and even ahead, you look bad, you feel weird, and you're still in your bed. You gotta tell yourself, maybe you're gonna have a good time. Maybe everything will be fine. Maybe everything will go right. If you put your keys in your pocket and leave your apartment tonight. Or else baby, it's possible things will go bad. Maybe, something's gonna make you feel sad. One thing's for sure, without any doubt, that's if you stay here, then you'll never find out. So baby, let's give it a try. So you show up and immediately brag to someone.
This is great, how I love being out.
But after an hour, confide in someone.
This is exactly what I was worried about.
When it starts out, it's awesome, it's great that you love, and then the vibe, it just changes, it's awful and sucks, and then some new people say, hey, won't you come with us? We are all going on to release Blub Blub Blub. Maybe tonight's gonna be great. Maybe, tonight is the risk you should take. Your life could be short before you depart.